Hi, it's Jeff. I'm going to show you today how to get the yellow out of your headlights without using some of these cracked ideas that you find out there on YouTube. You find the ones that they say use WD-40 or toothpaste. That stuff may work for a while, but it's not a permanent fix. What I found, if you go down to Walmart or Lowe's, you can get a little die grinder like this. Pretty inexpensive, $19, $20, and a little buffer wheel I got with a mandrel down at Lowe's for a couple of bucks. You put the two together and a little bit of rubbing compound and you can change the whole look of your car, make it look new. Now we'll show you what the headlights look like first before we end up cleaning them up. You can see it's all yellow and hazy. You really can't make out the headlights inside the car. So they're pretty nasty right now. So we'll do it real quick and I'll show you how it's done. I'm just going to take a little bit of rubbing compound. You can either put it on here. I just take it before I turn it on. I smear it on. It goes all over the place, so it's going to make a mess. You might have to clean up after, but this should make it work pretty good. And you don't want to stay in one spot too long. Just move it around. Keep moving. It'll work a lot faster than you think. See if you look already? That's pretty clear. That's a lot different than it was just 2 seconds ago. That right there is only one coating. A couple more coatings and it'll be perfect. What it is it takes off a small layer of the plastic, so you're not just making it look like it's clear, you're actually making it clear. You can see all fine scratches in there. A lot of these scratches will disappear and it eats the yellow stuff off from the UV damage. So I'm going to do it a few more times and we'll see what happens. There we go. So you can see inside the headlights now. If you look back at the other one, you can see the difference. It's like looking through a pair of beer glasses. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to throw a coat of wax on it and we'll call it a day. Yeah, we're just using a little carnauba wax. Put it on real quick. You don't have to buff this. You just take it with your rag after. This is just going to help beat some of the garbage off in the future and help protect the plastic from yellowing up quicker. Alright, well there we go. We've got the headlights done now. You can use this for your tail lights or your side markers as well. It works well on anything that's made out of plastic. You just want to be careful of your paint. You might want to put tape over it, or if you can take your lenses out, it might be easier for you to do that or safer. If you have any questions, you can leave your comments in the comments section below. See you next time.